Hello, today we're going to work on lesson 25 of Wylock second grade worksheet. And then we're going to first work on using a graph. So it says make the bar graph by coloring the boxes to match the numbers in the chart. Then use the data to solve additional problems and answer the questions. Okay, so here's the problem. So it says, some children at school are building birdhouses for a project. Use the chart to answer the questions. So this is the birdhouses mode. This is the chart. So kindergarten, first grade, second grade, and third grade. And this is the amount that they made the birdhouses. So we have to solve the problems through looking at this first. So let's look at number 1. It says, this is supposed to be how many? So it says, how many birdhouses in all did kindergarten and third grade make? So kindergarten made 7. So 7 plus, and third grade is 13. So now we have to add them, which would be 20. Right? Yeah, so 20 would be the answer for number 1. Because that's the amount that kindergarten and third grade made the birdhouses in all. Then let's look at the next page. So for this page, let's look at number 3 then now. It says, use the chart to complete the graph. We have to color in the boxes to match the data in the first chart. So we have to color in. Let's try it. And let's try coloring in several of them, and then you could try the rest of them. Let's try doing the second grade and the first grade then. So, first grade, we have 10. So we have to color in 10 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, then let's look at the second grade. So we have to color in 14 boxes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we colored in 14 boxes. Now the rest of them you can try filling it in. You just have to match these chart. And then color these boxes in. So let's look at number 5 now. It says, how many more birdhouses did second grade make than first grade? So second grade made 14, right? That's why we colored in 14 boxes. And first grade made 10, right? And that's why we colored in 10 boxes before. So then we have to subtract 14. So we have to subtract 10 from 14, which would be 4. So the second grade made 4 more birdhouses than the first grade. So 4 is going to be the answer for number 5. So let's move on to the next page. So we have the mental matching again. So this is a review, and just as review, it says match each math story to the mental math method. So the first one is already done for you. Then let's look at number 2. Since the first one is already done. So the second one says Janine has 66 candies, 66, and Amy has 21 candies, 21. So how many candies are there in all? So we can know this by adding 66 and 21. It will give us the answer, and it should be the same as the answers. That should be like one of the answers. That would be over here, but that wouldn't match this process, right? Mental math method. So we have to try it. So we have to first add the tens for the mental math method. So we have 60 plus 20, which is 80. And then we have to add the ones. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So now we have to add the sums of each, right? Sums of the tens and sums of the ones. So 80 plus 7 is going to be 87. And we're looking for something that would be the same as this. Let's look at it. So it's right over here. This one gives us the same mental math method, right? So 80 plus 7 is 87. So we have to connect this to this one. Yes. Now let's try the last one, number 5. So it says Lisa has 46 candies. Kevin has 12 candies. How many candies are there in all? So we have to try. We can add them to look at the answer just to find it. But to make sure, we have to actually solve it. So 40 plus 10 is 50, the tens. And now we have to add the ones, which is 8. And then now we have to add, add the sums, which is 58. So we have to find something that will match this, right? And that's right over here, the second one. So 50 plus 8 equals 58 should be the answer for number 5. Thank you.